we are breaking down the PESTEL Analysis Framework. By the end of this video, I will provide a complete screenshot-ready cheat sheet for your revision. Let's dive in. Think of strategy like steering a ship. If you only look down at your own deck, you miss the external storms brewing on the horizon until it's too late. To navigate safely, you need a radar system. In business strategy, that radar is PESTEL Analysis. It's a framework designed to scan the external horizon and identify the massive forces that will impact your future success. PESTEL stands for political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. These are the 6 pillars of the outside world that you cannot control, but must adapt to. Let's break them down. First, P for political. This includes government stability, tax policies, and trade agreements. How will new regulations help or hinder you? Next is E for economic. Look at the financial health of your market. Are interest rates rising? Is inflation high? This determines if your customers have money to spend. S is for social. These are cultural shifts and demographics. Are lifestyles changing? Ignore culture and you lose relevance. T is technological. This is the big disruptor. It's about automation, AI, and the pace of innovation. Technology changes how you compete and deliver value. The second E is environmental. The planet matters. Climate change regulations, sustainability pressures, and resource scarcity are now board-level issues. Finally, L for legal. This is the rule book. It includes employment laws, health and safety standards, and IP rights. Ignore these and you face massive fines. Why do this work? Because PESTEL Analysis is the fuel for your strategy. It directly highlights the external opportunities and threats for your SWOT analysis, helping you pivot before a trend becomes a crisis. To conclude, let's quickly summarize the entire framework. This graphic provides an at-a-glance view of the 6 critical external forces you must monitor. By regularly scanning these areas and their key factors, you ensure your strategy isn't blindsided by the changing world. Feel free to pause and capture this screen now for your revision. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe for more strategic insights. Thanks for watching.